Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God in order to build a just and humane society and establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspiration. Promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. The 18th Article of the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Article 1, National Territory. Article 2, Declaration of Principal and State Policies. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Article 4, Citizenship. Article 5, Suffrage. Article 6, Legislative Department. Article 7, Executive Department. Article 8, Judicial Department. Article 9, Constitutional Commission. Article 10, Local Government. Article 11, Accountability of Public Officer. Article 12, National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13, Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14, Education, Science, Technology, Arts, Culture, and Sports. Article 15, The Family. Article 16, General Provision. Article number 17, Amendments and Revision. Article 18, Transitory Provision.